Hello, Finder Story Time muna. So, a friend of mine shared to me their experience about double selling. So, they bought this property way back 2015 here in Palawan. And it's under contract to sell kasi hulug-hulugan nila yung property sapagkat nawala ng property owner ang kanyang titulo. The owners filed a petition sa court and it went smoothly. Nabigyan sila ng bagong titulo. My friend paid off the sellers and transferred the document to their names. And after a few years, they received a letter from RD. The letter states na may nag-claim sa property. Nag-present ng deed of sale na way older than them. Itong nag-claim presented a deed of sale of the same property way back 2009 or 2010, somewhere like that. At dahil mas unang gumalaw ang ating kaibigan na i-transfer sa kanya ang pangalan ng titulo. At too bad sa nangyari sa nakabili noong 2009. Anong aral ang makukuha natin sa story na iyon? Kasi pwedeng magkunwari ang old owner na nawala lang niya at magpa-reissue siya para mas maibenta ito ng higher price.